One south. Yo, clear the guards here. Yo, how many? Yo, are you about to break it? Are you about to break the gate? Are you about to break it? Yo, hold northwest. Yo, clear the guards northwest. Come north. Come north. Oh, walk south now. Death Tax walking. Yo, we're gonna go. Yo, walking. I'm walking deep. Walking deep and ball. Walking deep and ball. Ball. Ball the backline. Ball the backline. Ball inside. Drop duties inside. Just ball inside, okay? Ball inside, okay? Yo, help the healers out. If you low, come back northwest, okay? Ball inside. Okay? Ball inside. Just ball inside. Yo, south deep. Ball south. Hold us out. Everything south. Ball us out. Every south. Ball. Okay, loot up also. Yo, bro, just brawl and spread, okay? Just brawl and spread, boys. Just brawl and spread. Heal up if you're dying, yo. Healers, focus on healing, stop looting.
Map check, guys.
Bro, keep rolling. Keep killing these motherfuckers. Yo, Rigger, if you dead.
Anong mapa kayo, guys? Hello?
Nasa SSR yan, yung mga yan. SSR.
No, I didn't call
Yo,
Lucy.
someone queue a foot.
I didn't call Lucy, they're just small. Yo, who said? Rigger? Yeah, we're gonna go Drownfield course, everyone that died. Yo. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I failed you. I only have 16M. Okay.
Don't worry guys, I got
Come
loot now.
southwest. Yeah, I'll just bank loots first in MR. Oh no, actually, no. Bank your loots here in SSR. Here in the work right here. Come southwest. Malika, let's go. Southwest. Hello. It's only 16M. That's so sad.
I got bank here if you don't have bank. Trade from me.
Yo. Where's ano? Why there's still people inside here? Why you guys stuck there? What the fuck?
Wait lang ko. Trade mo saan po kayo?
Yeah, bank the loots. Everyone come southwest. Let's go. For the people that died, do better. How'd you guys die? Hello? Shushin, why you die early? And also Chrono on the first gate. Oh, you guys died there.
Nung pagka-dash ko, yung sa akin,
They literally on tier 8 to tier 7 gears, right? I don't know why you guys die.
Slowly die.
Ayan.
Bakit?
Like, okay, I'm telling you guys, they have, you know, yung zone in. They have the shittest DPS, right? If you died to them, it means your position is wrong or you're over brawling. You're brawling so hard that you're not really fucking checking your health, nigga. Come on. Like I'm telling you guys, you have to fucking play the game smart, okay? I'm in Groundfield Slough. Yeah, where's my riggers? Regroup in Wetland or regroup in Mire fast. Because I think this is it. Okay.
May blob na pumuntang force.
Wow, you guys die. Did you at least did party 2 at least get some kills? Yeah, zone in.
5 sa akin.
Oy, pagalingan naman bloodletter ko.
5 nga.
Hindi yung bloodletter ko na 8-3. Ang kampalpak. Ano ko notice? Ilan napatay mo, Mose? O, nakapatay ka. Ilan ba? Mamaya, isa lang yan. Sinasabi ko, 3 lang. Tapos si Lancer Elite, 5, 6-3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come back southeast, it's VOA. Come back. No, it's fine. They can do their own shit. I'm gonna go back there. Yeah, the people that die go back SSR. We look for another fight.
Doon sa kabila, Mugi. Dreamway.
And
Sa
then,
course.
nandyan VOA.
Ay.
Why you guys die? Yeah, we will.